Secret door. Hello. Hello. Yes.
What's your name?
Chicken Mavaki. There you go. Oh, why? Yes, yes. Hey. Excuse me.
Ooh, look at all these eggs. What are you guys doing?
Snow White.
All right.
Good girl. Ow! Excuse you. You get over here. Who was that? Okay, now. How'd that chicken get out? Oh, it's Jaden Jr.
Jade, what are you doing?
Jade ate Jaden Jr.
What are you doing?
Jade was eating Jaden Jr.
Jade, what are you doing?
Hey, oh, you want these? She wants the eggs. That's all she is about.